Feeling overwhelmed trying to determine how to deliver an effective project on time, within budget and meeting customer demands? You're not alone. There's a growing need in organizations for project delivery and project managers. The Project Management Fundamentals course provides a comprehensive overview of essential concepts and skills behind project management, leading you through the role of a project manager or PM. The course provides a high focus on the processes and methodologies used to ensure effective project management, as well as different approaches to ensure smooth planning, execution, and delivery to realize business goals. In this course, you learn about the basic concepts and principles of project management, identifying and analyzing the different development approaches taken to plan projects, and the value and benefit that a project management office or PMO can bring to an organization. This course is designed and built by subject matter and industry experts. To help you develop your skills for success in an entry-level project management position, the content is created to equip you with theoretical and practical knowledge and real-life problem-solving skills. To create this course, we researched the requirements of a project manager role. By analyzing job postings and consulting with industry practitioners, we crafted a curriculum that addresses the skills needed in today's business environment. The course contains the practical skills and knowledge demanded by employers, helping to prepare you for your future career as a PM. Throughout your learning, you'll be able to apply your knowledge through a variety of interactive activities and real-world examples. You'll also assess your progress with knowledge checks and a practice exam. You'll start this course by reviewing the pivotal role of a project manager, delving into the responsibilities and skills required to navigate the complexities of project execution. To reinforce your knowledge, you'll run through the process involved in an end-to-end business process improvement project. Once you've established a solid understanding of what's involved in the work life of a PM, you will develop the skills to identify and describe the 5 project management process groups. You will learn how the 49 processes integrate with process groups and be introduced to the concept of analyzing problems so that you can suggest good solutions and contribute to making smart decisions. As you work your way through this module, you'll focus on the different stakeholders involved in a project and learn how to identify their interests, expectations, and how much they can influence the project and the project environment. Lastly, you'll get to put your skills into practice. This is a time for you to reflect on the key learning points of the course as you complete the course assessment and the final hands-on activity project. By completing this learning journey, you'll develop a better insight into project management basics. You'll learn to describe and apply fundamental project management concepts and principles, analyze different approaches to project planning and delivery, and discuss the advantages that a project management office or PMO can provide to organizations. This course is also the start of your preparation for the industry-recognized Project Management Professional Exam, also known as PMP Exam, a global standard in project management certification. Good luck and good learning as you start this exciting educational and career journey.